blue Create button. Choose the form layout that you need. I'm going to choose the contact form template. I'm going to call this form tutorial form. I'm going to insert a field pagination, which is a page break. I'm going to get rid of the message field. Then after the page break, I'm going to include a website field. Click apply. I'm going to edit this field. I'm going to call it name. And then I'm going to insert another field. This is the checkbox. The label is going to be what services do you need? First option is going to be a website analysis. Second option is going to be website marketing, which is SEO. And the last option is going to be none. I'm fine with my current situation, my current website situation. That's actually from Oz. And then I'm going to click values. Okay, and once I click out of it, that error went away. I'm going to click apply. And then you can change the appearance. So you can go to padding. That was a padding field, but it appears to be, well, the form container. Spacing, custom, containers, padding, and border. Choose how much spacing you want between each form field. I don't want to change that. Border. So I'm going to have a 50 radius border, thickness of 2 pixels, and the style will be dashed. Padding. Let's make it 20 pixels all around. And let's preview. Okay, that looks promising. We're going to change the sizing in here. I guess you could in custom CSS. You select the min. Width. 100 pixels. Border tint. Max width. Play around with that. Font, change the font. You can change the color. You go to behavior. Thank you for contacting us. We'll be in touch shortly. So once someone fills out the form, it'll be an inline message, but the page won't refresh. You also redirect on the same page Generally, you would have a form submission page that the client-side user would go to after they fill out the form. Something like that. You would save the draft. So the administrator gets emailed and someone fills out the form. You can also connect the form to mail. That is the end of the video. Please like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel.